Welcome back to The Way We Farm. I'm your host, Tom Corcoran. Are you really a host of a YouTube channel? I don't know what I am. But anyways, we farm an hour east of Buffalo, New York, in sunny Caledonia, New York. So it is January. Out west is getting terrible sub-zero weather. We're pretty lucky here. It's still 32 degrees, but last night we had high winds. Our electric went out for a while. We've got a standby generator. Tonight, we're supposed to get 65-mile-an-hour winds potentially. We've got a lot of dead ash trees. So the trees are dying. Every time we get a big wind, they blow over, knock the power out. So we're in our beautiful heated shop. I don't know if you could hear it. It just kicked off. We have a 40-foot radiant heat tube. Our shop is 54 feet wide, 72 feet long. Right now, we got 2 combines and 2 Peterbilts in here, some other miscellaneous stuff. So this video this week, we're gonna go back to Rantoul, Illinois, the Half Century of Progress show back in August. My friend Pat and I went out there. It was so hot. It was close to 100 degrees. The heat index was probably the highest I've ever experienced. I got a little dehydrated the first day we were there. It was warm. So now, let's go back to now. We're gonna be close to zero here the next few nights, so 100-degree swing. So watch the video. If you've never been to the Half Century of Progress, it is cool. Next year, we're gonna go to the 100 Years of Horsepower at Renner Stock Farm. Never been to that either, but to get away from the farm and see just so much cool stuff. Plowing, corn picking, combining corn, combining soybeans, steam engines, so much cool stuff. I'm already excited about the 2025 Half Century of Progress show. My friend Pat went 2 years ago with me. They do this show every other year. We went this past summer. I'm already doing a countdown to the next time we get to go. So it is a lot of fun. Leave some comments. Let us know how cold it is. I see on Instagram today, there's guys out minus 35 degrees out west. I can't even imagine that. I think the coldest I've ever seen is minus 12 for the air temperature. So there's places out there that aren't going to get above minus 12 this weekend. So enjoy. Hopefully you're in a warm shop, a warm house, a warm office watching these videos. Enjoy it if you're in a warm spot. If you're in a cold spot working, man, good for you. Our neighbor's half a mile up the road, milk 300 cows. My brother milks cows 15 miles away. I feel sorry for the people that have livestock. I feel bad for them and the livestock. So hope you have a great week. Thanks for liking and subscribing. As always, it was a great week to feed the world here in Western New York. Hope you did too. Enjoy the video of Rantoul, Illinois, and we'll catch you next time on The Way We Farm. That's a 16 bottom plow. Look at Renner's beautiful versatile 1150 custom. That is pretty impressive. Knee deep in Firestone rubber. Love my Firestone tires. And then the 60/30 on tracks. How do you beat that? That is an impressive